Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss the Magento versus Shopify. Let's get started. So first of all, the feature, that's the type. So Magento is open source, Shopify is SaaS based. Okay, the second point is that self-hosted. You can host the Magento anywhere of your hosting plan, right? Whether it's to be Adobe Commerce Cloud or whether you can go with the another hosting plans. Okay, but for the Shopify, you don't need to purchase any kind of hosting plan, right? So it because it already hosted into their platforms. Okay, ease of use, there is a difficulty like steep learning curve for the Magento because you have to learn. It's like little bit difficult to initial stages to learn that. For the Shopify, if you are a beginner friendly, just go and install the theme, do configurations. If you need a simple e-commerce website without any customization, go to the Shopify handle. Okay, the next one, that is the hosting. The self-hosted, you choose your server. Okay, but the Shopify limited unless you're Shopify Plus. Okay, so basically for the hosting, you don't need to purchase for the Shopify the hosting plan because Shopify handles hosting automatically. Okay, but for the Magento, you have to. Customization unlimited at the code level. That's a huge difference. But for the Shopify, you have to go with the Shopify Plus plan because there is a limitation for the like doing the customization and like in the checkout page, very limitations coming over there. Themes, fewer free themes are there, but many premium and customizable themes are present. Wide variety of free themes and the paid themes are available both. So the themes, app and extensions, marketplace of Magento is very big, so there is thousands of extensions that you can use, but it's a one time, not the subscription based. Okay, and for this Shopify, you have to go with a subscription per month, per yearly. Okay, so need to be very much careful about that. Scalability, highly scalable for the enterprise solution, and for the Shopify, scalable but best for the small to medium stores. Okay, next, the speed depends on the server and the optimization, and it's fast out of the box for the Shopify. Security, you manage security unless using the Adobe Commerce Cloud. You have to manage because the hosting plan manages security. But for the Shopify, Shopify manages security PCI DSS compliant. Okay, maintenance requires developer. For the Magento, you need a developer and a technical team for that. But Shopify, no. Multilingual, of course, both have built-in options or via plugins. Needs third-party apps for this. Okay, SEO capabilities, advanced SEO tools we have, great SEO features, slightly less flexible. Okay, pricing free. Magento is open source plus hosting plus dev cost. Monthly plan starting from I think $20. I think 20. I guess maybe. Okay, for the best for the large businesses, custom B2B, B2C solutions, small, medium businesses, drop shipping, and D2C. Okay. Next, why Magento is better if you have a developer team, want full control over the code and design, run large enterprise levels too, need advanced B2B features. Shopify is better if you want to launch quickly, have limited technical knowledge, need a reliable and simple solution, and starting a small and the medium sized business. So, Shopify is the best. Okay, and if you want a lot of customizations, lot of requirements, CRM integration, too much configurations, so you have to go with Magento, and you have to bear the pain of the hosting plans. Okay, so this is the quite difference. And another thing that I think I should tell you about the if you like every time the PHP changes. Okay, so definitely you have to again shift the Magento project or set up the project, and if any issues occurs, then you have to hire a developer again. But for the Shopify, you don't need that one because it's running automatically. They do the updates and everything. Okay, so this is the quite the person to person depends because you have to update the Magento accordingly for the security purposes. Okay, so I hope you understand what's the difference. Do let me know in the comment section which platform you are using, whether it's your Magento or the Shopify. Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.